ऑलराइट, गुड डे स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका रीजनिंग का टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे। टॉपिक है ब्लड रिलेशंस। द वर्ल्ड रिलेशंस इन इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी नैरो। हिंदी में या हम अपने इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जब रिलेशंस की बात करते हैं तो हमारे पास मल्टीपल रिलेशंस हैं। सपोज चाचा जी, ताऊ जी, मामा जी, दीज आर मोर रिलेशंस इन हिंदी। इंग्लिश में दीज आर ऑल अंकल्स। सो इफ़ यू फॉलो योर बुक you have a complete topic, complete आपको एक family tree दिखेगा. So just go by the family tree and you will be able to understand the relations very quickly. What I will recommend to my students in reasoning, always think of these relations as your relation. जब भी मैं रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन करता हूँ ब्लड रिलेशंस पे, तो मैं अपने आप को उस क्वेश्चन में पुट करता हूं और उससे वो आंसर जल्दी निकल जाता है, बिकॉज मेरे को अपने रिलेशंस कंपैरेटिवली याद रहते हैं. सो डू नॉट गो बाय द क्वेश्चंस, इट विल कंफ्यूज यू मोर. ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एज इफ यू आर इन्वॉल्व इन द क्वेश्चन. यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस प्रीटी क्विकर. ऑलराइट, सो ब्लड रिलेशंस में आई विल नॉट गो इन ईच रिलेशंस. You know that sister husband will be called brother-in-law, brother wife will be called sister-in-law. So all these are given in your book. So let's try first question so that you get a glimpse of what the blood relation is. So I'm taking one question here. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, "I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son." And the question is, whose photograph was it? So basically you have to take the pointer first. It clearly specifies जिस भी आदमी की हम बात कर रहे हैं उसने सबसे पहले बोला कि मेरा कोई ब्रदर और सिस्टर नहीं है. Now next is again I'll put that man as me. So suppose this is me, this is the photograph here, and I am just pointing out the photograph now, saying that I have no brother sister, मेरा कोई भाई बहन नहीं है. That man's father, इनके जो father हैं, so this is the family tree I am pointing out. So suppose this is the relation here in the tree. So he says that man's father is my father's son. So that man's father is my father's son. So basically the photograph he is pointing to, उन्होंने बताया कि उनके एक फादर की फोटोग्राफ है और उनके वो सन है. Now since this man doesn't have any brother and sister, so actually these photographs are not different, these photographs are one, and he is talking about himself. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा था एक्चुअली, कि मैंने पॉइंट किया कि जो इस फोटोग्राफ में, सपोज ये मेरी ही फोटोग्राफ है, इस फोटोग्राफ में जो इनके फादर हैं उनका सन मेरा क्या लगेगा. सो बेसिकली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन डील विद ब्लड रिलेशंस. इफ यू ट्रीट योरसेल्फ इन द क्वेश्चन you will be able to solve the question pretty quicker. So this is one set. Now moving to the next set, you will have to draw a family tree. There are two important things in blood relation. One is family tree and second is importance of identifying the gender. जेंडर आइडेंटिफिकेशन से काफी क्वेश्चन बहुत प्रिटी क्विकली सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. जैसे एक मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूं. सो दीज आर दी सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू हैव. फर्स्ट इज P is mother of Q. So I am just writing the statements. First, P is mother of Q. This is first statement given. Second is R is son of P. Second statement is given. R is son of P. Third statement is given. S is brother of T. So third is here. S is brother of T. And the fourth is T is daughter of Q. T is daughter of Q. So these are the quick denominations, you can just have it. Then the question is, who is grandmother of S? So we need to find out. The question is, we need to find out grandmother of S. So this is what we need to find out. So there are two approaches, as I said. One, you can basically draw a family tree, and second, the quicker method is basically if you can identify the genders involved here, the question will become pretty easy. So I'll tell you both the approach. जो भी approach आपको अच्छी लगे वो approach से आप जा सकते हैं. So the first approach is to draw the family tree. So I'll quickly draw the family tree. So basically here it says Q, I'll keep it on top. So basically P is mother of Q. So P is here. She is mother of Q. So the gender wise if I write female, P is mother, so has to be female. Then next is R is son. R is son of P. So we can write here R is son of P. So R will be a male member. So I'll point out here R is son of P. P is mother. So this is what is given as of now. S is brother of T. So S is brother of T. So I need to identify here. S is brother of T. So S is again a male member because we cannot say anything about T as of now, whether male or female, but that's definite. S is male. And T is daughter of Q. T is daughter of Q. So we have Q here. T is daughter. So now we can identify that T is female and she is daughter of Q. So this is the basic family tree we have identified based upon the 4 parameters, and we have the family tree now. Now the question is, what is the relation of S, or rather we need to identify who is the grandmother of S. So grandmother of S. Fine. So if I say that S is the son of Q, that is defined here. So S is son of Q because he is brother and Q is a parent. So S is brother of T and T is daughter of Q. So definitely S will be the son, and P is mother of Q. So that's again given. So S की जो मदर है, उनकी जो मदर है वो उनकी ग्रैंड मदर हो जाएंगे. सो दैट इज सिंपल. सो S का रिलेशन डायरेक्ट अगर हम P से आइडेंटिफाई करें, सो आंसर विल बी P इज ग्रैंड मदर ऑफ S. रिलेशन वाइज भी अगर बड़ा क्विक करूं, वी हैव ए फीमेल मेंबर हेयर, शी कैन नॉट बी ग्रैंड मदर. This is the male member, so she cannot be grandmother. The only female member left is P. So आप पूरा क्वेश्चन स्क्रैप कर सकते हैं if you can identify the genders quickly, और gender के बेस पे you can just identify this cannot be possible, this cannot be possible. R is a male member, the only female member left is P, and hence the grandmother will be P. So this is how you can do blood relations. It is more about exploring the relations, including yourself. And second, I have given you the logic of male and female genders. So if you can identify these two genders, mostly questions can be done even without drawing the family tree. So two approaches again, blood relations. One is family tree, second is identifying the genders. Whatever suits you better, you can just write. So I recommend you just try more questions on your book, blood relations, and if you have any problem, you can get back to me. Thank you.